Okay, every once in a while, a model kit comes along that isn't perfect, which is every model kit. But every once in a while, an improvement comes along that just blows everything else out of the water. I thought that was China 3D prints, even though I'm the lead singer on that model model parts line, the aftermarket parts. I'm not the seller. This particular item has been in the works since almost day one from when the Trumpeter kit got released. It's finally here. We've been working on it back and forth. I really didn't do a whole lot with it other than keep pushing for it to get done. There was a couple of people that were going to do it, and I know of at least one other person that is still going to do it, but they're going to be doing it in metal photo etch. We recently had some stern plating kits that have been in brass. We've had Alexander's. We've had Fredericks over in France, mini brass that does the stern plating, and they're all fine and good. And then we had the do-it-yourself kits that Jesse and Ryan Scott got together on and did a template for that you could cut out your own plastic sheets. But this one, this one's a game changer, and I don't mean specifically the stern plating, even though, well, I'll let you look at it. But the part that's in here, we need to break out. We need to break out the big boy. So this is $80 a bottle. For you guys in Star Trek that know all about it, the bottles are numbered. They're hand numbered. So we're going to crack the seal on this just for this. And I have my trusty land sharks, as you can see, sitting over there. So there's the seal. I broke it just for this. And as you can see from all of the dust, I've had it sitting around a while. Oh, I love the smell of this bourbon. This stuff is really good. So, I wanted to say a couple of things about the guy who makes this. Is the same guy who does the 3D printing furniture, Eustaquio Mercado, and his wife Jen. They have been extremely busy with Eustaquio's job, and his real name is Israel or something like that, and his nickname is Izzy. They've been really busy, and they're talking about going to Shapeways because he is extremely busy. I hope that does not happen. So, this is from Eustaquio Mercado. Jesse Rooker helped on this, so kudos to Jesse. Thank you very much. Whew. Guys, you are not going to believe this. Trust me. So what you're going to see here looks like a pile of parts. Let's move this out of here before it gets broke. what you're going to see here is what looks like a pile of parts. And for those of you watching, somebody want to tell me what it is? Yep, everything's out of there. Well, I don't see any comments up here, so I'm going to reveal what it is. You know what? I'm going to let you guys guess. Nobody's guessing. How's that? Now, as far as the stern plating goes, I'm not suggesting that you lay it all down in one piece. I haven't read the directions yet because it will reveal exactly what this is, what this kit is. Anybody want to take a shot? And I don't mean a shot of bourbon or shot of whiskey. Shot of scotch. Ken Kemp, take your shot of scotch now. I mean, come on, guys. This is pretty obvious. This kit right here is what everybody has been wanting since the Trumpeter released the kit, and we found out that it was no bottom plating. This is a bottom plating kit from Eustaquio Mercado, Amature 3D Printing. This is the kit. Now, I was told the kit was $24. I assume that's for everything you see here, and we'll go over each and every piece. I don't know if it includes the stern plating, which is also missing. Nobody does the stern plating. Now, Woody's Model Works has some stuff coming out, and I'm not going to mention anything else other than that. He does stuff in brass, not styrene. So, we have a stern kit. I have not looked at the instructions. I do not know if you can put this all in one slap it on there and be done with it. The big plus on the styrene sheet, and this is styrene sheet, is you can glue it down with regular Models glue and you're done. This, ladies and gentlemen, is bottom hull plating. Bottom hull plating. Bottom hull plating. Bottom hull plating. Now, Some of you are probably looking at this and going, oh my God, how do I know which one is which? Well, come on, guys. Figure this out. They fit together only one way because the ship's hull. It can't be that tough. So that goes there. Just figure out the ends of the sheet. How many of you right now wanted bottom hull plating? How many of you? Nobody does this kit. Eustaquio Mercado, Amature 3D Printing does this kit. I will tell you that this is the very first one outside of Jesse Rooker back and forth developing this kit. This is the first one that has been released otherwise. Now, I'm not exactly sure about this part. I think this goes to the underside in the stern. Although at first glance it looks like the prop wings that are included in the kit. Don't worry about the prop wings. There are 2 people doing prop wings, if not 3, with plating already installed. So we have the stern plating kit. I don't know whether they include 1 sheet or 2. I don't know that. They're not online. But bottom hull plating. This is so hot. I broke the seal on, oh, there it is. Aft. This is sheet number 2, aft. Number 4, forward. 3, forward and aft. 5, forward and aft. So my suggestion at this point, Eustaquio, is when you cut these sheets out, take a permanent magic marker and write on the back. Each and every kit, write it on the back. Gotta love this. This has been coming for so long. Now, we'll look at the instructions here in a minute, but at first glance, do not put these down all in one piece. We might be putting the cart before the horse. What also is here is extra strips if you need them. Oh. Somebody needs to make these with just the name cut out. There's a few people on the group that are needing these with just the name cut out. Notice that the portholes are the holes are cut out here. Note that the holes are cut out here. No guesswork. I am not going to assume they line up with the holes on the kit. I'm not dragging out my 5-foot-long Titanic hull and find out. So section forward. I'll scan all this stuff for you guys and put it on the group. Section 6 forward. It looks like you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. I'm not exactly sure why. Aft section 5, forward. That's a contradiction in terms. Aft section 5, forward. It's either forward or aft, one of the two, guys. I'm not a shipbuilder, I might be wrong. Aft section 4. Aft section 3, forward. Forward section 1, aft. Yeah, we need to get some clarification on which one is which. So this looks like the stern to me. Hey, Christopher. Nicholas, how is France or Belgium? This looks like right below the proplings. So this has to be the stern. I'm pretty sure this is the stern. Guys, this is so hot. I can't tell you how hot this is. This is going to be good. So I'm thinking, I don't know how they cut these out. I was thinking it was laser cut, and it doesn't look laser cut to me. Maybe it is. I'm not a laser cutter expert. But my kit is marked. Maybe yours will be. And again, personally, I would use a black magic marker and mark them on the back. I can't tell you how long I personally have waited for this. I think this should have been included on the original model, but knowing how injection molding works, having some release issues from the bottom mold for the kit to pop straight out was probably the reason why. But this will take care of it. I will get with Eustaquio and find out what the total price with the stern and then the lower stern by where the rudder is and the center prop is. I'll find out if that's included, this is included. I'm pretty sure it is, but we will get you set up with Eustaquio Mercado at Amature 3D Printing and get these done. He did say that it takes about 30 minutes to do one kit, but this guy has been busier than a one-armed paper hanger. Give this man time to do your kit. I don't want people harassing the man. Please be patient. He has a family. He has a day job. Tell me if I'm wrong. Does this or does this not call for the best in the house? Eustaquio, I think you deserve another round, my man. Jesse, thank you. I appreciate what you've done. You guys have stepped it up. We've got people like Gary Shetter that do portholes. I don't have his stuff handy, but Gary Shetter, Eustaquio Mercado, Frederick Bier over at Mini Brass. We got scale decks. I'm not going to officially mention the paint guy. He has blocked me for some reason, so unofficially we're not going to mention that. I don't know what's up his ass, nor do I care at this point. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions, ask now. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. Jesse, Eustaquio, Jennifer, thank you. Whew. Hull bottom plating kit. It's finally here. Gotta love it. So why don't you give us a couple of days, and I'll get with Eustaquio and we'll get something set up, an official post. I am going to be doing photos of this stuff tonight and putting up a what's in the kit, and it will be edited from there on out. You guys have a good night. Thanks for watching. Oh, be an organ donor. Oh, hi Ken. Ken Kemp is down in Australia, the land down under. Ken, one for you. Jimmy Buffett, Margaritaville. How can you go wrong? Thanks, Gene. I will certainly be buying a kit and we'll wait for further details. Yep. So, I have a box going to Australia. Ken, I have a box going to Australia. It's a small box. So you might want to consider getting with me and or Eustaquio and having a kit sent here, because shipping to Australia is problematic right now because of COVID. You can only send certain packages of a certain weight, certain size, this and that, and it's first class, and you cannot insure it. Get with me later in a couple of days and we'll go from there, but I've got some props and drops to send down there, and I'm just dealing with United States Post Office. They took my first class mail postage off the website. Not just me, they did everybody, and I can't even get it through ShipStation. I'm not going to ship anything international through ShipStation ever again. They lost 2 boxes of mine and we got one of them back. Guys, this is well worth the bourbon tonight. $80 a bottle of bourbon. Let's breeze through this. And yes, those are segmented. I like this kit too. This is really good. What puts this one over the top is the the bottom hull plating. We've been needing that for a long time. So I'm going to send out a challenge that we need to get. We need to get this piece, specifically this centerpiece, with Titanic Liverpool. Just this piece for people that don't want the whole thing, don't want the whole underbelly plating kit, and they need the bow next to the anchor, in front of the anchors. They want the reversed Titanic name and just that centerpiece. There's a market for this. I keep getting asked about it. Anyway, guys, enjoy your beverages. I'm going to enjoy mine. Have a good night. Oh, wait. Chris Green. Anxious to hear more printed drawings full size, and was going to cut by hand from plastic. Chris, you don't have to anymore. It's right here. It's right here. There's a hull bottom plating file on the group. Group search that. Hull bottom plating. This kit is going to be $25, probably plus shipping. What's your time worth? Is it worth $25 to have it already pre-cut? This is a great price for this kit. This kit, as I see it right here, should be at least $75. That's my opinion. If you buy this kit as you see it here for $24, $25, you're getting a steal. Buy 3. Eustaquio and his wife Jen have been homeschooling their kids through all of this COVID crap. I am sure that even if you sent them $5 or $10 a tip as a thank you for finally getting this done after all of this time, and them and their problems with the COVID crap, I'm sure they would appreciate it. If you send them a tip, please tell them I sent you. They've just been really, really busy. Guys, this is the kit to get. Just for the under bottom plating alone. He did say that he would be willing to break up the set. So I will get more information. Please be patient. You guys have a good night. $25 in 2 words, I'm in. Chris, I knew you would be. Guys, anything else? I don't break out the good bourbon for even good company. This was worth it. Anybody else? I almost wish I had my phaser. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a night.